Welcome to Sejo Math Class. I'm reminding you, if you haven't subscribed to the page, subscribe to the page, and then if you haven't liked the page, like the page, and also leave a comment, and then share with your friends. We are dealing with operations on sets, but before then, the first video has been uploaded, understanding the regions on what Venn diagrams, understanding the regions of a Venn diagram. Go and watch that video and you understand it, and what we are going to do today will become very simple. Now let's look at the question. The question is saying that in a class of 20 girls, 16 play netball and 10 play volleyball. Each girl plays at least one of the two games. A. Represent the information on the Venn diagram. B. How many girls play? I. Both games. I. Only netball. I. Only volleyball. It is a problem that has been given to you and you are to solve it. It is a problem that it has been given to you to solve it. Now let's look at how we can solve this problem. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use some figures to represent the information. So let's say that let U be the total number of girls and then V those who play volleyball, because in the question they told us that there are some girls who play volleyball, and then let's say N those who play netball. So let's say U, the total number was the number of U, that the total number was 20. Then the number of V, now the total number of the class, the girls was 20. Then you say that 16 play netball and 10 play volleyball. So the total number was what? Of V is 10. And then the number of N was also 16. Then the last thing, the number of N intersection V, we don't know. So let's represent it by X. Let's represent it by X. Let's represent it by X. So let's try and bring them this information on the Venn diagram. So let's draw our Venn diagram. This is our U and it is 20. This is our, let's name here N, and let's name here V. So N, we said that the N is 16, and we said that V was also 10, and we said that N intersection V is X. So in this portion, as I'm saying, first tutorial has been uploaded, understanding the various regions on the Venn diagram. If you visit that video, you will understand it very well. Now let's look at something. The whole of this region is 16, but V is taking part of the 16 away, which means that this 16 we are going to take x away within the 16, x out of the 16 is playing volleyball. So if you want to know the student, or you want to know the girls who play volleyball only, then we will deduct those playing what? Volleyball out of it. Visit the video, understanding the various regions on a Venn diagram. It will explain it to you. The same way, part of x is taking v away, so it will also be 10 minus x. 10 minus x. So this is our a. So the a is saying that represent the information on a Venn diagram. So let's look at b. Let's bi. Bi is saying that those who play netball only, those who play netball only, those who play netball only. So those who play netball only, let's say only netball, only netball, then it is going to be the number of n plus number of n complement intersection what? V is equal to u. It is equal to u. It is equal to u. So here we are saying number of n plus n intersection, the number of n intersection n complement intersection what? V. So here you have n here because we are taking the whole of this region to be 16. We are taking the whole of this region to be what? 16. Then we take v only and we equate it to the what? U. That is what it has been written here. So n only is what? 16 plus the number of n complement intersection v is also what? 10 minus x is equal to 20. So here you have 26 minus x is equal to 20. The whole of 16, n is 16, n intersection, the number of n intersection, n complement v is equal to u. So the 16, as I said earlier, the whole of n is what? 16 plus v only, that is 10 minus x is equal to 20. So when you add 16 to 10, you get 26 minus x is equal to 20. So we have 26 minus 20 is equal to x. So we have x is equal to 6. But don't forget, we said that x is what? X is what? The number of n intersection v, that is those who did both game. Those who did both game. Those who did both game. Okay, so the I was those who did both game. So both game. Both games. So both games is what? 6. So we have n intersection v is equal to 6. Now let's look at II. II is saying what? Only netball. Only netball. So only netball, we have the number of n intersection v complement. This is equal to n is what? 16 minus x. But x is equal to what? 6. So we have 10, this is equal to 10 minus 6, which is giving us a 16 rather, which is giving us 10. So therefore, the number of n intersection V complement is what? 10. Let's look at the last aspect, that is only volleyball. Only volleyball, and that one too, it is what? The number of n complement intersection V, which is 10 minus x from the question, where is V only 10 minus x. So, but x is equal to what? 6. So this is 10 minus 6. It is what? Giving us 4. So we could see that, therefore, number of n intersection, that is V, is equal to 4. So this is the problem you were asked to solve for. We are done with it, and I'm reminding you, if you haven't subscribed to the page, subscribe to the page, leave a comment, and then like the page and share with your friends. I would like to add this one too. If you have any question, just drop the question in the comment section. Or if a whole topic you want to treat, you want us to treat with you, just drop the topic at the comment section. We will kindly treat with you. Thank you.